In case of a radical, the valency is put outside a bracket containing the radical. A radical is a group of atoms that stay together as a charged unit. When you have groups of atoms that are carrying a charge, we call them a radical. Now here we have NH4. Now this NH4 carries a charge, therefore it is called a radical. We have SO4, 2-. This SO4 carries a charge, so the whole thing is a radical. The whole of this is a radical. Now let's see how they behave when they are forming compounds. Here we have calcium and then nitrate. Calcium has the charge 2+. The nitrate, which is a radical, NO3, has the charge of -. Now this whole NO3 is behaving as 1. This whole NO3 we see here is behaving as 1. Now let's look at the charges. Are they the same? No, they are different. Calcium carries a charge of 2. Nitrate carries a charge of 1. So what are we going to do? We are going to swap their positions. Remember, we don't swap the charges, we swap only the numbers. Now the calcium is going to be Ca1. Now the whole nitrate is what is being affected by the 2. The whole nitrate, NO3, is what is being affected by the 2. So we are going to put everything in bracket. NO3. And then the 2 will come outside because this 2 is affecting the whole NO3. Therefore, we are going to get Ca1, NO3, 2. Now we need to take away the 1, and then we end up with our compound CaNO3, 2. This is the formula of calcium nitrate. Now let's do this quickly. Ammonium has the charge, has the formula NH4+. Sulfate, SO4, 2-. When they decide to form a compound, this 2 will come here, this 1 will go here. Now the whole NH4 is being affected by the 2. So we're going to have the NH4 going into brackets and then the 2 coming outside. Now the whole SO4 is being affected by the 1. So we're going to have the SO4 in brackets and then we put our 1 here. But with this 1, usually we don't write the 1. So if we are taking the 1 away, we also take the bracket away. So ammonium sulfate has the formula NH4, 2SO4. This is the formula for ammonium sulfate. So what this means is that when you have a radical, a group of atoms that are staying together as a charged unit, you put the whole thing in bracket after you swap the charges.